Howdy, hiya.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi. How
Hi.
you doing?
How you doing?
Vinyl Vixen, Slim Shetty here at Wrapsesh.
What's up, guys?
We're off beat. We're off beat. This week, what are we doing this week?
A K-van.
A K-van?
K-truck.
K-truck?
Yeah, a little.
Is it a truck? Is it a van?
It's
Don't know.
Well, they have both. Yeah, they have a van and they have a truck. But we did the van.
Yes. This is a van from Japan.
It's a Japanese. Yeah, it's from Japan.
It's like a Japanese minivan.
It's actually right-hand drive. Sick.
So cool. Super cute.
Super cute.
I feel like you could literally load it up into our Sprinter van. It's that small.
Yeah.
So small.
I could almost put it in my other van.
It's crazy. But you could definitely feel like a bike inside. That's what I thought was cool.
Yeah, you could also, I mean, it had, because he had like shag carpet in there and it was like.
Oh my gosh, I love
you could like
the
go
shag
camping
carpet.
in this because it's got like, a perfect little bed in the back.
Yeah, he had the furry carpet, and did he have fiber optics?
Yeah, yeah, Starry Night.
Yes.
Yeah.
Awesome little van build from a super cool tattoo artist, Don. He owns, I believe it's called That One Tattoo
That One Tattoo Parlor.
Mm-hmm. He was also an Ink Master.
Yeah.
Yeah. Super cool guy, local tattoo artist. He bought this van and is just like doing a ground up build with it. He put a aftermarket like wide body kit on it.
We did put a little wide body kit on it and he lowered it. It's super sick.
Got some wheels.
Got some dope wheels on it.
So it was really fun to be a part of. The wrap definitely transformed everything, and I think we have plans in the future to actually wrap all the interior. So like the door jambs and like you can see the metal from the inside.
Yeah, there's a lot of like, it's an older vehicle, so like they had like
it's like a
paint on
lunchbox.
the inside.
Yeah, you could wrap everything.
Yeah.
So I think we're gonna be doing more of that wrap. So stay tuned. But yeah, dive in. We did a full color change in Avery Gloss Emerald Green, I believe it's called.
This one. Almost.
No, not even close.
No,
it's
not that one.
It's like the Forest Service green.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
But better.
But better. We also had these really cool wood panels designed for the sides, kind of like a bug or something.
It was like a Woody.
Yeah, but vastly
That's
different.
what they're called.
Is it now?
Yeah, the old cars, they called them Woodies.
So that was designed by Vojtech Designs. We printed the wood panels on a satin metallic base, I think, so it turned out really, really nice and crisp. And then we printed his logo on some silver chrome.
Frosted silver chrome.
It was spicy.
It actually looked it was a super cool logo.
It looked so cool, so cool. Check it out, we hope you guys enjoy.
Check it out, yeah.
Put your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah. Girl, you always tend to drive me crazy, looking at me with those eyes. Yeah. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Shirt you gave me, 'cause it reminds me of the times when I was down and you were there to save me, telling me that I'll be fine. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Baby, I'ma try to help you let it go. Oh, no. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go.
Thank you guys so much for watching our episode this week. We hope you enjoyed our,
Shenanigans.
what's it called? We don't even have a name for it yet.
What?
The van,
Oh, the van, the
The
K
wrap.
truck. The K van. The Woody.
the Woody. Okay. We hope you enjoyed our Woody.
Oh, that's what I used to call little cars in the beach and they had the
Nobody
wood.
knows what you're talking about.
Oh well,
It's okay, it's okay.
that makes it even more funny.
Yep. We hope you enjoyed our Woody. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Wrapsesh vibe. You can catch all of our daily fun on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at... Come again?
Sorry.
You can keep up with all of our daily fun on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Wrapsesh AZ and Vinyl Vixen Wraps. And if you guys want to go above and beyond,
Ow.
ooh, sorry.
That was my head.
You said get violent.
I didn't say that.
Reach out to us at wrapseshaz@gmail.com, and we'll see you next week.
Okay, bye.
That was violent.
Yeah, but I caught you.
I caught you.
No, I caught you.
I got you.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.